I didn't know how easy it'd be to get in, so I'll put it in after.
Okay. Okay, so apparently I have to go find the big ladder in the garage so that we can put up the bird feeder. So hubby had made this giant bird feeder quite a few years ago. We had it in the very first house. He built it, and it's come with us to every house, and we've cemented it into the ground because it's pretty big, and the wind, we're scared, is gonna like blow and tip it. So anyway, so we got the cement in. Now we're putting up the poles. We're gonna try to put it up. But it's a little scary because it's really windy here. And it's a really big bird feeder. Alright, so hubby is gone to get his tractor so that we can hopefully somehow lift the actual bird feeder up into place because it is extremely high. Like, if you look I'm standing, it's gotta go way up on top of that. It's extremely high. Anyway, his point of it being so high was so that he could drive his big tractor under it without hitting it. I can't even reach it. It looks like I can, but I really can't. So we'll see if we can get it up top on there, the two of us together. Ah, okay, smart man. He got a pallet, put on his forks, and we're going to load the bird feeder onto that. Oh my God. Oh, that's huge. don't trust that. You sure you trust my driving? Oh, brother. That? Hold on for dear life, hon.
Down, push forward.
I'm what? What?
Push forward.
I'm scared. But I have to go back or you're gonna dump.
No.
In? That's what I did. Oh, there we go, see? Oh, I'm gonna make you go a lot.
Forward.
Hold on. I got this, maybe. As I take out the bird feeder. It's a long process. You would have been down the ladder by now. Oh God, better give him back the reins. Ah! All right, guys, we got the bird feeder up. Looks good. Again, it's huge and high. I know it's really hard to tell on video, but it's huge and pretty high. But it's up.